6-8. Hey, we got a fire, guys. We got a fire. Hey, get out there. Come on. Grab them pins. She's hot, guys. Stand back. Please be careful. He's off the tractor.
In the tractor pulling competition, the vehicle caught fire and couldn't continue. Firefighters quickly arrived to extinguish the flames, ensuring everyone's safety. The event was interrupted and safety procedures need to be reviewed.
Goes off to them guys. They did a good job. They got it out. And trust me, Kurt will be back sometime during the year.
The tractor pulling competition was truly exciting with a few vehicle fires breaking out. However, the racers' spirit remained strong. They didn't give up and continued competing with determination, adding more tension and drama to the event.
Might have happened a little bit there. You lean on it a little bit?
Yeah, we got a blower belt there that looks still to be intact, and we lifted a Charger. Yep. Unfortunately, they're on the closest side to us here on the infield side. Folks, let's give him a tough luck round of applause there. That's unfortunate.
266,985.
And that looks to be Corey there. Jake Thompson, Waterman, Illinois, off the rail. That I don't like to see, ladies and gentlemen. We all know what that does. That breaks things. So what makes that happen is the load comes out. That bounce broke the rear drive shaft or differential, one of the two. Exactly. That's exactly what I caught too, John. And he knew it. He knew enough to back off the throttle.
farmer in Fredericktown, Ohio. He'd like to thank his crew chief. And a good smooth run, dead center of the Mack trailer pulling track. West Reynolds, Quaker City, Ohio. Misunderstood.
It's not only the powerful tractors that compete, but also pickup trucks that are equally strong, ready to showcase their impressive pulling power. The competition becomes even more diverse and exciting with the inclusion of these vehicles.
And that's a tough break right there. Tough job for the nut job. They've been having issues, so that's going to do it for Brian Withrow. Back to Kerry Unger. Kerry back home in Heaton, Ohio. More to go. Man, a little bit of missing there, but not a bad run at all for Andrew.
Looking at the massive wheels of the tractors, I could feel their tremendous power. Each rotation seemed to embody resilience, endurance, and the incredible pulling capacity needed for the competition. I'm not sure if anyone has participated in thrilling pulling competitions like this, but they definitely bring out a lot of emotions for the audience. Each round is full of suspense and surprises, keeping everyone on the edge of their seat.